In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently navigate the Microsoft Teams calendar to manage your schedule seamlessly. Let's dive right in and start by heading over to teams.microsoft.com. Once there, sign in using your Microsoft account. It's as simple as entering your credentials and clicking Sign In. This quick step gets you into the platform where all your collaborative tools are readily available. Now that you're logged into Microsoft Teams, you'll want to focus your attention on the left sidebar, where you'll find various tabs and options. This is a crucial part of Teams where you can access a lot of different features. For our purposes, look for the Calendar tab. Go ahead and click on it to open up your calendar. This is where you can view all your appointments and meetings, ensuring you stay on top of your daily work schedule. With the calendar open, you now have the option to view it in several different ways. You might prefer seeing just the day's schedule, or maybe you lean towards reviewing your entire work week. There's even an option to take a look at your full week if you have a lot going on. You'll find a drop-down menu located conveniently at the top right corner of the calendar window. Use this drop-down to toggle between day, work week, and full week views. Each option has its benefits, allowing you the flexibility to choose what works best for your planning needs. If you're looking at an open slot in your calendar and decide that time will work for a meeting, all you need to do is click that specific time slot, which will prompt the creation of a new meeting. This feature streamlines the process of booking meetings so you can focus more on your agenda. Notably, any scheduled meetings you have will appear right there in your calendar, and you can effortlessly join them by clicking directly on the meeting entry. This functionality ensures you never miss an important meeting and can join with just a click. For spontaneous meetings, there's a Meet Now button. This allows you to start a meeting instantly without any of the fuss of scheduling. It's perfect for those quick, on-the-fly discussions you need to have with your team. And if you're planning ahead, the calendar offers an easy way to set up future meetings. Simply click the plus New Meeting button. This will guide you through scheduling a meeting at a later time or date, enabling you to send invitations to participants so everyone is on the same page. That's it! With these straightforward steps and features at your disposal, Microsoft Teams Calendar helps you manage your time effectively and streamlines the process of organizing meetings. Thanks for watching and happy scheduling!